The Manuscript W.425, housed in the Walters Art Gallery in Baltimore, is a rare and precious work of art, distinguished by its very nature. It comprises just 58 individual leaves, which were bound in a disordered manner in the 19th century, lacking any textual continuity. To this day, it remains the only surviving fragment of what was once a small yet luxurious Book of Hours, produced in 16th century Flanders for the liturgical use of Rome. Measuring 90 by 65 millimeters, with a written area of 55 by 39 millimeters, the manuscript features a Gothic rotunda script, arranged in 13 lines per page. This script was particularly favored by a specific clientele in the early 16th century, exclusively from the Mediterranean world, namely Italy and Spain. Among the surviving leaves of W.425, one stands out, an illuminated folio bearing the initials H and M on a purple background, linked by a love knot. The most intriguing mystery lies in the identification of the couple represented by H and M. Until recently, no prior studies had ever been conducted on this manuscript. It was Professor Carla Rossi who first reconstructed its history, working extensively in Spanish archives to uncover crucial information about its origin and patronage. Through a philological reconstruction of the text, Professor Rossi was able to unveil the secret that has shrouded the manuscript's history for centuries. By reordering the surviving leaves according to their original textual sequence, a clearer understanding of the manuscript's overall structure emerged, allowing for historical and archival research to be conducted. A crucial clue in this discovery was a manuscript note on folio 20 verso of W.425, which Professor Rossi identified during her research. This note confirms that, while still intact, the volume was located in Valencia on 22 June 1585. Professor Rossi's findings revealed that the H and M hours, from which the 58 leaves of W.425 originate, was produced between 1530 and 1538. It was commissioned by one of the most educated and influential noblewomen of the European Renaissance. Thanks to this groundbreaking study, the H and M hours is now accessible to a wider audience. The facsimile, recently published by Imago of Rimini, is accompanied by a scholarly commentary in both Italian and English, offering an in-depth exploration of this extraordinary manuscript and its fascinating history.